Didn't see a warning. Hits me in the morning.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Laneige Love Minga? Laneige Lip Card. Just kidding. What the hell are these words then? Is it the name? Oh. So I found these at Laneige. Aritam has like Laneige IOP, things like that. So I actually saw it on Instagram first because someone tagged me in it. That made too close. Yeah, someone tagged me on Instagram with these. And I'm surprised that it's from Laneige, because it seems kind of gimmicky, and Laneige doesn't really come off as like a gimmicky brand. Just kidding, they have like the two-tone lip bars, which isn't like gimmicky, but anyway, it's supposed to be like a thing that you like fold the card and you can like do this with your lips and like it transfers color, so it's supposed to be like on the go, you know what I mean? Like, because you can like stick it in your bag, but then again, you can stick a lipstick or a lip tint in your bag too. So they're not expensive. They're only 1,500 won each, which is like $1.50 or less than $1.50. But I don't know how many uses you're supposed to get out of this. But they have a lot of colors. They have a lot. There's like a whole wall of them. I picked out some shades between like, I guess, nude to like red to like these really dark fancy colors. So let's give them a try. I didn't read anything about like the claims and stuff, so I'm really just going into this like balls bare is what they say. I don't know. 지갑에 속 가볍게 죽이는 20가지 라네이지의 팝 립 컬러. Oh, there's English underneath. Enjoy easy, fun, and pop Laneige's 20 lip colors. All right. There's the packaging. It's just you slip it out here, and there is your lip color, your lip card, I guess. Right here it says open, so I guess we're gonna open her up. Ah, okay, I see. So this part is sticky right here, so I guess you can use it more than once. So you use it once and then you like store it by just like closing the flap, I guess. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. There's like a faint perforated sort of edge right here so that you can fold it. What color is this one? This one is number 1 beige chiffon. Use this. Do you like rip it off? Is it a one-time use thing? Well, I'm gonna rip it off because it's really. Oh wait, no. You can kind of just fold this shit. Girl, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. But this is kind of small, isn't it? What about people with like bigger lips? What the fuck is this? Ew. It's not even cute. Well, first of all, here's my lips. Clearly, but they're probably supposed to be meant for like, oh, the gradation. And here's what the card looks like after. You can see it's kind of like a creamy texture. It's almost like they melted like lipstick and like put it on the paper, I guess. But let me see if I can. It has a kind of like glossy-ish finish. Okay, it's it's a little too light for me. Yes. I mean, it's actually not that bad. It's just not the right color for me. Nice. Yeah, okay, I think you can reuse it because there's a little notch here, so you can fold this back over. So you can like close it like that. And I guess you can reuse it maybe up to, looks like maybe 2 or 3 times. All right, and this one is number 20, Glam Pink, right here. This is what the last color looks like next to it. Oh, 이거 괜찮다. This is actually not too bad. It's pretty pigmented. I thought it would be like more sheer because the last one is a little bit sheer because it has quite a bit of like white pigment in it due to the nature of the color naturally. But this one, it's actually kind of pretty. But I feel like you would kind of have to, what's the word, 정리해? You kind of have to fix it up a little bit with maybe a brush or like, I mean, you can use your finger, right? Because it's a little bit hard to control like where you get on your lips. I'm not mad at it. Makes my lips look a little bit bigger. But yeah, these are creamy, so they're obviously not transfer proof. All right, and then this one is number 9, Luminous Red. Some of them, because the plastic is really flimsy, some people that were at the store kind of like were pressing on them. So to be honest, it looked a little bit gross. That looks not good. Oh god, but they smell like hot glue. It's disgusting. Oh, that's kind of pretty. It's smells weird. It smells like hot glue. At this point, I think we all know how they perform, so I'm kind of just like swatching the colors. Okay, bitch, now it's time for some of the crazy colors. This is number 16, Pure Grape. What the hell? Sensual. Oh, that looks hot. Fuck yeah, you see that? Clearly, it's not my kind of lip color. But you kind of have to be careful with colors that are deeper like this because it's not easy to control where you put it. And so you're kind of left, or you're kind of forced to, unless you can be very careful about the way you apply it, you kind of only have the option of doing kind of lip gradient or the kind of like blown out kind of, you know, like the blurred edge sort of thing. Otherwise, you'd have to take a lip brush and like dip it right into that paper and apply it because it's a glossy formula. If you use your fingers, it kind of gets all over the place. But this is not too bad. It's just, oh God. Oh, that is disgusting. You know what? I'm kind of a little curious. I'm a little curious, so I'm gonna try to actually take a lip brush, see if I can do anything about this. Nope, it's too creamy. So the lip brush kind of just like, you see that? Kind of just wipes off the product. I mean, the edge is a little cleaner, but it's really patchy. And I don't think it's just this color, it's kind of all of them, but that's because of the formula, I think. All right, ladies, last but not least, Vampire Red, number 7. Was he doing these out of order? Sorry, this is what it looks like. This is a pretty color. Oh, 이거 괜찮은데? I mean, it's still like kind of messy looking. Okay, this one's a little difficult. Because as you're blending it, right, it kind of, like I said, like the last one, it kind of picks up. Even if I were to use my fingers or like just this, the parts that kind of like catch kind of shear off and turn into like this, I guess, pretty cherry color. So you have like more of a concentration of the color in the middle, but on the outside, it's more of like a different color. But I guess it kind of makes a natural gradient, I suppose. So this isn't too bad. From far away, it looks decent, but up close, it's still kind of, it's all right. But it's probably one of my favorite out of the 5 that I've tried. You have to be very careful. Like, you can't get it, because, I mean, you can kind of touch up with this, I suppose. This would be good for, like, one use for the day, because you do it in the morning, right? Then, like, if you're eating or drinking throughout the day and it's starting to come off, then I guess you can touch up with this. You could even, like, dip your finger and kind of do this, but even then, with a really creamy formula, it's gonna, like, pick up every time you touch it or tap it with your finger. But I like this one. Amiduro. All right, so there were the 5 colors. Now, what do I think about them? They're a little like gimmicky. I mean, they're only 1,501 each, but I can only see it being good for like one day. And honestly, there are like lip tints that you can buy for like $4 that will last you a long time. And the thing is, what was I about to say? I forgot what I was gonna say. It's just really hard to control the way you apply it. And the formula itself is kind of, it's all over the place for me. It's too glossy and it's too like creamy and like emollient for it to like stay on the lips anyway. So you're probably gonna have to be like reapplying it. It's gonna get all over the place. It's not kiss proof. It's gonna get on your cups when you're drinking and all that. But I guess it's a good way of trying to test new lip colors if you're curious about, like, if you're used to wearing the same kind of lip color every day, but maybe you want to try something, you know, a little bit stronger like these or something. But you want to fully commit to buying the lip color. It's a good way to try it, I suppose. And to be completely honest with you, it kind of seems a little unsanitary because, I mean, you put your mouth on it and it's just, I mean, then again, lipstick is like a tube of lipstick that you put on and you store it the same way. But this, I feel like this has a little bit more access to air because it's not 100% sealed because there is a little bit of gap here. And because it's like a more creamy formula, I feel like it's easier for like bacteria to like latch on, if you know what I mean. I don't know. Anyway, I'm not really into it. It's kind of whatever. It's cute, but it's, again, it's one of those things I feel like it's gonna be gone after like a month or two. So at least we tried it while it was out here. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.